Welcome to iPacky. In this short video, we will show a quick demonstration of how iPacky works. iPacky can be started in several ways. From the Shopify dashboard. By clicking Login on our website. Using a direct web address. If logging into the dashboard, you will see the current status of the packing. Here you also add users, and set all options and settings. Start iPacky main screen by clicking on Run iPacky. This is the main iPacky screen. The menu is located in the top right corner. Select Picking Lists Packing Slips. This list will show open and unpicked orders. The layout and controls might look different because of settings in Options and Filters. In Options you can set filters and options. Here you see the options and filters. The changes will be saved during the session, and the defaults can be set in iPacky Dashboard Settings Defaults. Select individual orders or check the box in the column header for all. Select to print. Select Picking Lists. The picking lists are prepared for print. Normally you would select the printer, and print. Select the menu. Select Orders. Here you see the orders. The layout and controls might look different because of settings, options and filters. An order can be opened by clicking on the hyperlink. Normally you would enter, or scan an order number from the picked orders. Select Home. Here, you scan the barcode, or type in the order number from the picking list. This is an example of an order. The layout, controls and actions might look very different based on the choices made in iPacky Dashboard Settings. The ordered quantity. The scan quantity. Add manual scan. Not recommend because of human mistakes. View customers' order note, timeline notes and order tags. Timeline notes improve the information flow. Use packer's note for improved information flow. Use it to inform the supervisor or back office about order packing issues. Using the Actions menu, you can perform actions on the current order. Bin locations will show the optimum picking path during picking, saving time. View the available product inventory recorded in Shopify. Use picking notes to inform a supervisor or the back office about inventory issues. Product notes is useful for internal product handling information. Shows the product image. By clicking on the image it will expand to full screen. Support for kits and bundles. This will ensure that everything in the kit or bundle is checked and packed. Here you can edit the shipping address, especially if you spot some address issues. This will be written back to the order in Shopify. By using order check rules in iPacky, you can add products based on products on the order, or order tags. In this case this is a new customer, that's tagged with new. The order check rules are in the iPacky dashboard. Use a barcode scanner to scan the products on the order. The order is complete. Waiting for input of the next order to be checked. That's it. Thank you for watching this intro video of iPacky. New, more detailed videos are posted regularly. Start packing error-free today.